And we're going to run with a short update to our Castor Maritime play. If you see here, look, it has actually finished the head and shoulders pattern, and we've crossed over this support line. So go ahead and set that up. See, what are we looking for now? So this next move, if we're going to break out, should go to the dollar range, and this is probably where I'm actually setting up a far more serious trade. Now that we've crossed this big, now that we've done this big move, I'm going to be looking for places to potentially take the money out of the trade. So let's say, I mean, it'd be nice to hold out of this range. So, have a hard sell line at 60. The downside to that is it doesn't really make this that profitable of a trade. So let's actually look at this a little bit more. And I mean, it's not where we opened it, but it is good to reconsider where you're at by looking at the trade as it stands. So I don't know if I do want to trade the bottom of this range. If we're sitting at 75, maybe I need to go to a smaller time frame. So let's look a little bit smaller here on time frame. Let's shrink this down for this size, and let's see. So we want, yeah, so if we break 70, if we break to 69, 80, we'll push out, we'll go back to this channel, and we're going to want to look to buy. Look to buy back around 60. Yeah, we can do that. So, new trade that we're looking at here, 5% into 35%. I'm almost ready to just be done with this play. I mean, I might leave some long on Castor Maritime, but this, let's see, let's go back to the 1 day. I don't know. Let's go to the week. I don't know where I'd really be looking on this. I mean, potentially we're looking at this $3 range. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Potentially we're looking at this 275 and up. And, probably hit another big resistance around 180. So, if we're looking at this on a really long term, no, it's down here. I don't know. So here's where we are now. 140. I mean, it's still a great trade. But will it do the rest of this? And I mean, the danger lies here now that we're above this support line is down to this one is 56% loss. So Castor Maritime is in an interesting position. Um, they need to avoid a reverse stock split, and a lot of things could happen. But we're going to keep our eye on this trade going forward. I mean, the buy volume looks great. So that's our update here on Castor Maritime. Um, as always, what we're doing here, reviewing our own trades, looking at setting up, and doing some of that live, like we did right now. I mean, I had already thought some of this out ahead of time in my head, but this is really a first chance to come put it on paper. Now that the plays had already played out. So, well, hopefully you found that interesting. And again, reminder, it's not financial advice. It's just education about how I trade and how I look at things. Let me know what you think about Castor Maritime. Is this going to keep going? Is it going to go back down? Nice thing about stocks in this price range is just either way, I'm buying or selling. So thanks for dropping by. Make sure to hit that like and hit that subscribe button. And, if you want to argue with me, if you think I'm wrong, or you think there's inputs I should consider, make sure to let me know below.